Do you ever feel like you are speaking correct English, but native speakers still look at you strangely? You learned the grammar, you memorized the vocabulary lists, but when you open your mouth, you don't feel cool or confident. You feel stiff. If that sounds familiar, you might be stuck in the robot trap. Here is the truth that most textbooks won't tell you. The English you learn in school is often not the English we actually use in the USA. If you walk into a coffee shop in New York or Los Angeles and use strict textbook phrases, you create a barrier. You signal to everyone that you are a student, not a local. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. Today, we are going to fix this. If you are looking for how to speak English naturally, or if you want English speaking practice that actually works for real life, you're in the right place. In this lesson, we are going to delete 5 specific phrases from your vocabulary. These are phrases that are grammatically correct, but socially they make you sound like a robot. We are going to replace them with the real American English alternatives that will make you sound relaxed, friendly, and fluent. By the end of this audio lesson, you won't just know new words, you will feel the difference in your American accent training. Are you ready to stop sounding like a textbook and start sounding like a local? Let's dive in. Let's start with the biggest offender. The #1 common English mistake that screams, "I learned English from a 1950s textbook." Imagine I see a friend on the street. They say, "Hey, how are you?" And I reply, "I am fine, thank you. And you?" Stop. Please, stop. While this is polite, it is incredibly unnatural in the US. It kills the conversation. It sounds scripted. It puts a wall between you and the other person. In real American English, greetings are fast, messy, and casual. We almost never say, "I am fine." We rarely say, "thank you," in that specific context, and we definitely don't say, "and you?" like a robot. So what should you say instead? If you want to speak English confidently, try these 3 levels of casual responses. Option 1 is the casual good. Instead of "I am fine," just say "good" or "pretty good." Option 2 is "not bad." This is very common. It sounds humble and relaxed. You can say "not bad, you?" or "can't complain, how are things?" Option 3 is the busy truth. Americans love to talk about how busy they are. It's culturally very normal. You might say, "Oh, doing okay, just busy. How are you doing?" Let's do some English speaking practice right now. I'll say the greeting, and I want you to reply out loud. "Hey, how's it going?" Did you say "pretty good, you?" Great. Let's try another one. "What's up?" Nice. You could have said, "Not much, just chilling." See? Doesn't that feel lighter, less pressure? You're already sounding less robotic. Let's move to phrase number 2. You're at a party or maybe a meeting and you need to leave. The robot says, "I must go now." I must go. It sounds like you're in a dramatic movie from 100 years ago, or maybe like you're a superhero leaving to save the planet. In American English, pronunciation and usage, the word must is very strong. We rarely use it for simple actions like leaving a room. It sounds too formal and intense. So how to learn English that sounds chill? We use have to, gotta, or better. Here's the secret sauce of American English. Gotta. It's the short form of have got to. You can use the phrase gotta run. This is perfect for friends. "Hey guys, I gotta run," or "I gotta take off." You can also use heading out. This simply describes your action. It's polite but firm. "All right, I'm heading out. See ya." Or "I'm gonna head out now." Finally, you can use better get going. This implies you don't want to leave, but you have responsibilities. It's very polite. "I better get going. I have an early morning tomorrow." Let's practice the pronunciation. Notice how better sounds like better with a soft D sound. That's the American accent. Repeat after me. I better get going. I gotta run. I'm heading out. Perfect. No drama, just natural communication. Phrase number 3 is tricky because you think you are being polite. The phrase is, please wait. Imagine you're on the phone with a friend or a colleague asks you for a file. You say, please wait. Even though you said please, this creates a command. It feels cold. It feels like you are a customer service automated machine. Please wait. It stops the flow of connection. To speak English confidently in the US, we want to soften commands. We want to make them sound like collaborative moments, not orders. Here are the phrases native speakers use every day. First, hang on or hang tight. This is the standard casual way to ask for time. Can you hang on a second? Or hang tight, let me check that for you. Second, just a sec or 1 sec. Sec is short for second. We love shortening words. 1 sec, I'm almost done. Or just a sec, let me grab my bag. Third, give me a moment. Use this if you are in a slightly more formal situation, like talking to a boss or a stranger, but you don't want to sound robotic. Give me a moment to find that email. Let's try a simulation. I'm calling you. I need you to find a pen. Don't tell me to please wait. Tell me to hang on. Hey, do you have that number ready?
Did you say hang on a sec? Much friendlier, right? Hang on implies we're in this together. Please wait puts up a wall. We're moving through our list of common English mistakes. Phrase number 4 is I understand. Now, be careful here. I understand is not wrong. If you're in a serious argument or a police officer is explaining the law, you say, I understand. But in casual conversation, imagine a friend says, we're going to meet at the movie theater, not the restaurant, and you reply, I understand. It sounds heavy. It sounds like you are receiving instructions for a military mission. For daily English speaking practice, you want words that show you are following the conversation lightly. Try these light, quick confirmations. First, got it or gotcha. This is the king of American understanding. Oh, the theater, got it, or gotcha, I'll be there. Second, makes sense. Use this when someone explains why something is happening. If your friend says, I'm late because traffic was crazy, you can say, makes sense, no worries. Third, I follow you. Use this when someone is explaining a complicated idea. Okay, I follow you, go on. Let's practice the got it sound. In American English pronunciation, the T in got connects to the I in it. It sounds like got it. Repeat after me. Got it. Gotcha. Makes sense. See how fast that is? Speed is a big part of sounding fluent. I understand has 4 syllables. Got it is just 2. Native speakers love efficiency. Our final phrase today. You walk into a party, you meet someone new, you shake their hand and say, hello, my name is John. Again, you're not James Bond. You don't need to be that formal. My name is what we say in presentations or interviews. In social settings, it can feel a bit stiff. If you are looking for how to learn English that helps you make friends, you need to lower the formality level immediately. The fix here is incredibly simple. Just use I'm. Hi, I'm Sarah. Or, hey, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you. If you're calling someone on the phone, never say, my name is. Say, hey, it's David from the gym. It seems like a small change, right? Changing my name is to I'm, but this small change signals confidence. It shows you are comfortable in your own skin. We have covered 5 major shifts today. Number 1, not I am fine, but good, you. Number 2, not I must go, but I gotta run. Number 3, not please wait, but hang tight. Number 4, not I understand, but gotcha. And number 5, not my name is, but I'm. Now I have a challenge for you. This week, I want you to pick just one of these fixes. Don't try to do them all at once. Pick one. Maybe this week you focus on gotta run.
Every time you leave a room, say it to yourself. I gotta run. Whisper it. I gotta run. This is how you build muscle memory. This is real American accent training. By replacing these robot phrases, you are taking a huge step from English student to English speaker. But we are not done yet. Sometimes the problem isn't that you sound like a robot. Sometimes the problem is that you sound rude without knowing it. There are specific phrases that many students use thinking they are being nice, but to an American ear, they sound aggressive or impolite. You might be using them right now. In the next video, which is part 2 of this series, we are going to cover 5 English phrases that make you sound rude and what to say instead. You do not want to miss that one. If you learned something new today, please hit that like button. It helps the channel so much. And subscribe so you don't miss part 2. I'm your host from the English Learning Podcast, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to practice.